This is day 195 and today we are looking at printing comments. So the interesting thing about Excel is that once you are done with preparing a report in Excel, sometimes you want to print it maybe to PDF or you want to print hard copies and share with other users. And whilst you are working with an Excel document to sort of guide your users, if you are to share an Excel document, you make use of notes and comments. So these are comments and these are notes. But then once you print the document, you sort of lose those notes and you can't really share them with your users unless you print them on the hard copies as well. So people often struggle to know where to or how to print these notes in their workbooks. So to print notes, you go to print settings under page setup here. Then you go to sheet. Then under here where it says comments and notes, by default it is under none. Then you can drop down and pick. You can say at the end of the sheet or as displayed on sheet. So note that only notes can be printed as displayed on sheet. Otherwise, if there are comments, they won't show. So let me just show you both. So if I say at the end of this sheet and I say okay, you'll see my two notes are there. So this is a comment and this is a note. Let me just go back to my, so here where I'm saying December value still need to be updated with actual. So it's a comment and this is a note which is in yellow here, which says print some notes here. Then if I go back to print preview, you can see on page 2 I have my comment December value still need to be updated, and I have print some notes here for the note. Then the second option which I showed you just now is where you show the comments exactly where they are, so that because your users will get lost here because they don't know exactly where this cell M9 is, especially if it's a printed document. Unless they have to go and open again your Excel document, they won't know where cell M9 is. So you would want to print your comments exactly next to where the note is. So in that case, the ideal comment or note to use or annotation to use is this note here in yellow here. So when you right click, instead of saying comment, you say new note. So let's just see that. Let me say show or hide notes. Then I'll just say show, so that it's always showing my notes. They don't disappear when I navigate away from the cell that contains my note. Then I can now say print preview and go to page setup and say under sheet, I want to show them where they are located on the sheet. Then I say okay. So you can see my note is now here. It makes much easier for users of hard copies to actually see where the comment is and be able to understand what you're annotating on and what your explanation is. However, you just have to know that sometimes if you have quite a lot of notes, it can easily get messy and notes will go on top of each other. So that's it, guys. If you have enjoyed my video, please don't forget to hit the like button and also to subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.